Every year, people set money resolutions. Save more money, spend less, get out of debt. And every year, most people fail. Not because they're lazy, but because the strategy is wrong. Resolutions rely on motivation, but wealth is built on systems. So instead of setting the same resolutions again, you need to replace them with a strategy that actually works. Let's break this down clearly, right? Resolution number one, I'm going to save more money. That sounds smart, but saving alone doesn't build wealth because inflation slowly reduces the value of cash. So even if your savings grow, your purchasing power doesn't grow the same way. Replace it with this: automated investing. Instead of just saving money, set up a system where money moves into investments automatically. Every week or every month. No thinking, no timing, just consistency. Because money sitting still doesn't scale. Resolution number two, I'm going to cut all unnecessary spending. Yeah, this sounds disciplined, but it usually leads to burnout. People restrict too hard, then go right back to old habits. Replace it with this: productive spending. Don't just cut spending, redirect it. If you're spending anyway, make sure some of that money builds assets. And some examples are: use cashback systems that feed into investments, turn everyday purchases into reward-based investing, allocate a percentage of spending toward assets. Now, your lifestyle supports your growth. Resolution number three, I'm going to pay off all my debt fast. This one here is tricky because not all debt is equal. Some debt drains you, but some debt can be structured. But replace it with this: debt control plus the asset growth method. Yes, reduce high interest debt, but at the same time, build assets. Because if all your money goes toward eliminating debt, you delay building wealth. It's a balance key. You have to do both at the same time. Resolution number four, I'm going to start investing when I have more money. This is the biggest trap. It's always overlooked, right? Because more money never feels like enough. So you got to replace that with micro investing now. Start small, even $5, $10, $20, because that habit matters more than the amount. And once the system is in place, scaling it up becomes easier. Waiting delays everything. Resolution number five, I'm going to learn more before I invest. But learning is important, yeah. The research leads to inaction. So replace that with learn while doing. Invest small amounts while you learn. This gives you real experience because understanding grows faster when you're actually involved in doing. Now, here's the big picture. 2026 isn't about doing more. It's about doing things differently because the financial environment is changing. Money moves faster. Opportunities shift quicker. Systems matter more than effort. If you rely on motivation, you fall off. If you rely on systems, you stay consistent. So let's simplify the strategy. Automate your investing. Turn spending into asset building. Balance debt and growth at the same time. Start small, scale up later. Learn through actions. That's it. No complicated formulas, no guessing. And here's the truth most people miss: wealth isn't built from big decisions, it's built from repeated small systems done over time. So, stop setting goals that depend on discipline alone. Start building systems that work even when you don't feel motivated. Because once your money moves automatically, you stop relying on willpower and start building momentum, which is real power.